Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you if you are facing any problem not able to enable the USB debugging on this device. Let me show you how to fix this one. Simply go to the settings and go to the option developer options. Now again scroll down. Here you can see the option developer options. Now you can see this is not able to touch here. It is disabled, completely disabled. So let me show you how to enable, how to fix this problem and how to enable the USB debugging. Just go back to the main settings and tap on the option security and privacy. So here you can see the option auto blocker. Just disable this option. Now again go back to the developer options. Scroll down. Now you can see we can easily enable the USB debugging. If you want to enable, simply turn on this option. So simply in this way we can fix USB debugging not able to enable. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.